Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Does Earth receive any of the Sun's energy through conduction and convection? No. We receive energy by radiation. Alright. Thanks for watching. I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on the video option, then click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen, hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.